Maraming salamat po. Hindi po part ng script to, pero maraming salamat po sa mga umattend ng workshop na to. And in celebration of our anniversary, 30th anniversary, we would like to express our gratitude to our founder, Father Jing Caparos. Yeah. Thank you, Father. Yes, thank you. And 30 years ago, Father Jing started the choir. At alam niyo po ba, noong unang nagsimula ang Pintig, hindi ako pinasali ni Father Jing. That's a true story. I auditioned for Pintig Musika ng Kabataan, but he didn't accept me as a singer. So, tinanong ko siya, bakit hindi ako tinanggap? Sabi, kailangan mo pa mag-aral, kumanta. So, he was very honest. Pero, I end up a singer and a performer as well. So, para po sa mga kabataan, patuloy po nating pagyabungin ang binigay ng Panginoon para sa pagsiservisyo sa Kanya. So, malaking pasasalamat. Father Jing, once again, thank you very much.